No,
you look younger than
the kind of infrastructure upgrade Haryana has seen in the last 10 years. You should just see one graphic, how Haryana and Punjab have diverged completely when it comes to economic growth. The per capita income of Haryana, 3 times increase in the last 10 years. The state GDP, 3 times increase in the last 10 years. You look at Gurgaon, start looking at Sonipat, Panipat, Karnal, Kurukshetra, you know, all these points, they have become very important growing economic centers, and that is what is reflecting. Let's say, even if the Congress is somehow able to pull it off, it's not a sweep they were hoping for. The BJP is fighting for the 3rd consecutive term, which itself is unprecedented.
All right, Siddharth, you have a
just a
lead
word of
coming.
caution, Navika, because the Election Commission website, like you're saying, is updating the data very slowly. So, for example, just to give our viewers an indication of the number of rounds that have concluded, in Ladwa, Nayab Singh Saini, the Chief Minister, is currently leading by 732 votes as per the Election Commission, but only 1 round of counting is concluded out of 16. So I think there's still a long way to go. The numbers might fluctuate, and the numbers might continue fluctuate.
48, 38 right now. The story, let's not forget, in our excitement for Haryana, let's not forget Jammu and Kashmir, and in Jammu and Kashmir, past the halfway mark is the National Conference and the Congress Party. Sabha, just hold on. Past the halfway mark is the Congress Party and the National Conference Alliance, 49. The BJP has dropped to 28. PDP at 3, others at 10. That is in Jammu and Kashmir. The story has moved from Jammu and Kashmir to Haryana. And in Haryana, 48 versus 38. Amazing. Advantage BJP in the 3rd time. Okay, I have one question. I have one question. At the moment,
So is it Khattar or is it Saini? Is it Khattar or is it Saini?
Saini, I think. Is Saini leading in his own?
My question.
No, what I mean is Saini is a recent one, so all the things that's been done by Khattar, who will get
Saini will get
well, this is a big, if anything, this is a big thumbs up for Khattar, because everybody in the BJP said that he was running it from behind the scenes. Saini, Mukhota, Khattar, the real guy.
But he was trailing in his own seat.
Khattar has won the Lok Sabha elections,
my friend. Sorry. Saini was trailing.
Saini is leading by 750 votes. That's what was said. So Khattar, big thumbs up to him, and Khattar has been backed by Prime Minister Modi himself. They have worked together as pracharaks, and this is another factor that his judgment on
would he return as a chief minister?
That remains to be seen. Who knows? He might be the next BJP president. You know, but the fact I want to ask you: if this were to happen, and if these leads, and I grant you, if these leads consolidate, this will be a 3rd victory for the BJP in Haryana. Something that they have done in Madhya Pradesh, it's never been done in Haryana for 60 years. Would you still say that Modi, Amit Shah have lost the plot, lost the narrative?
Well, I'll start by telling you that these are early, very early rounds. But if these numbers were to hold and the BJP wins Haryana, I can tell you that all the polling agencies in this country need to shut down.
What about the Congress Party?
I'm serious.
No.
I'm serious.